Let's go from this to this to that. And let's do it all under 3 minutes. What's up guys, this is Qazi. I am so stoked about this brand new series, Cinematic Look Under 3 Minutes. The whole idea behind this is how can we get from log to a really dope look under 3 minutes. Now we can spend hours perfecting it and creating all sorts of complicated node trees. That's not the focus of this series. This is more like if you're sitting over my shoulder and watching me build a look from scratch. And really fast. Just a quick disclaimer, this is for people that are a little bit more advanced and know their way around the software. Now if you guys are brand new to DaVinci Resolve or color grading, then check out the other tutorials I put out a couple of weeks ago. Link is in the description. Those are great starter tutorials that will give you the logic behind the fundamentals of DaVinci Resolve and color grading in general. Guys, hit the thumbs up if you're enjoying the content and subscribe for more awesomeness. And also, I will be showing you how to download my teal and orange Transformer-esque CLOG at the end of this episode. Alright, enough talk. Let's get right into it. Alright, so let's start with creating 3 nodes. On the third one, we're going to drop our C200 CLOG 2 LUT. And then in the second one, we're going to do our primary correction. Okay, so this is where we should do most of our work before we get creative. And it's coming straight from the log image, so you can really like push and pull without really breaking your image. Now after the LUT, that's where we get creative. So I'm gonna go under hue versus saturation, and I'm gonna pull my greens, my cyans, and my blues down. But you know what? I'm not really liking when I pull the blues down how it takes away everything from the glove, so I wanna keep some of it there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and reset my blue keyframe and then readjust it to see where I like it. So let's just keep some of it there like that. It's looking pretty good, and I'm liking that we're preserving some information in the blues. So now I'm gonna go ahead in the curves and I'm gonna check on my editable splines and just give the image a little extra pop on the highs and the lows. So it just pulls it out a little bit, creates like a tiny bit bleach bypass, not really, but just gives it like a little zing. Now let's go into our noise reduction, and that's where we're gonna do our secret sauce that I showed you in PRIMARIES episode. So the beauty about these particular settings is that we're not only reducing the noise, but we're desaturating the noise to make it look like grain. And it feels more like film than digital, which looks very pleasing to the eye and helps this cinematic look we're going after. Now let's create another node, and this is where we're gonna create our window and pull our subject from the background. More than her face here, I'm just gonna be focusing on her arm and her tattoos. We're not going for traditional here. We're trying to add drama and make it look cool. And remember, just soften the hell out of your windows in Resolve. And what I'm gonna do is invert my window, and I'm gonna use my curves this time. And I'm just gonna push it. I don't care. I'm trying to go for that wow factor. And I think it looks dramatic. It looks cool. And that's it. Let's do a quick recap. So we started with the log image shot on Canon C200 in RAW. Then we added the CLOG 2 LUT on it. Then we did our primaries in the node prior to the camera LUT. Next, we developed our creative look after the camera LUT node. And then we added some contrast using curves. And finally, we put a window around our subject to bring it all together. And there you have it. We created this sizzling hot look delivered to you under 3 minutes as promised. Alright guys, that wraps up today's episode. Go download your LUT, the link is in the description below. Also drop a comment and let me know if you like the look of a specific TV show or a movie that you would like me to create, and I will do my best to create or get as close as possible under 3 minutes. Guys, make sure to subscribe for more awesomeness. I will see you in the next episode.